So, good morning sir. My name is Jeffrey Montillas po, your student nurse for today from TSPC or Camarines Polytechnic Colleges. May I know po your name for and birthday for verification?
My name is RG Ortiz, 2005.
Okay, sir RJ, today po I am going to assess your head, mouth, throat, nose, and sinuses po. This is a important po to know if there is any abnormalities or signs or symptoms of any diseases or illnesses that may present to your body. So, I am asking po for your cooperation para throughout the procedure po, magawa po natin ito ng tama. And I am asking also po na for permission para hawakan po yung parts of your body, especially your head po. This is okay po ba sa inyo, sir? So, thank you so much po. So today po, here's the equipment po, such as the gloves, tongue depressor, the alcohol, and that's it. The stethoscope. So I am now having a hand hygiene. And I am now providing for this. So, sir, magsimula po tayo for asking for subjective data. So, may I know, sir, if you have a any mouth problem po? Mga recent or frequent headaches po? Wala naman. So, for your past history po ba, do you have any illnesses that you feel sa mga nakaraang araw mo sa naranasan po sa iyong ilong? So, kailan po yung last visit mo sa doctor?
Last week.
Last week. Okay. So, for family history po, may mga kamag-anak po ba kayo na na-diagnose for like cancers or any diseases po na may cause sa inyo po?
Chicken pox.
Okay. So, chicken pox. For lifestyle and health practices po, how was your hygiene po? Which is okay naman po. Nagda-diet po ba kayo? Oo. Do you nagsisigarilyo po ba kayo? Okay, no? Goods po. So, before beginning, let us have first glove. It's important po to avoid contamination po since we have a direct contact. So, let us begin po to the head assessment. First, let's see the shape and configuration of the head. Tingin po kayo dito, sir. I see that your face is symmetric and there is no any abnormalities that I see. Also, yeah, it is good, the shape and configuration of the face. Let us proceed to the next one, which is palpating for the consistency of the face po or the head. So, I see that the side, which is good. There is no visible abnormalities to the head. Also to the I see. Good. So let us now inspect for the face for its pictures. We see that also there is no such thing as unusual movements. Also the expression is fine. Can you do smiling, sir? Okay. Can you close your eyes po? Thank you so much. For the color variation, it's quite brown po, which is normal with the ethnicity of the Filipino. And also, the face is symmetric. So, for the next one, which is the palpating for elasticity and containment. So, I see. Do you feel anything to our tenderness, sir? I see. So there is no such thing as unusual tenderness or pain naman sa ano ng patient. Okay, for the next one, let us palpate the temporal artery, which is here, for any tenderness or abnormalities naman. So, can you say po sir, if there is any pain po kayo nararamdaman? So, okay naman yung temporal artery niya. So, let us proceed po to the temporomandibular joint, no? For checking the range of motion, tenderness, and swelling. Also, for cavitation, to check that, let us place one finger or the index finger to the each side and ask the client to open the mouth. Can you open your mouth? Close. Another one po. Close. So there is no clicking naman, and I see that the bite is normal. Do you have any frequent headache po for the past few days? So I see that the findings in head po is normal. So let us now proceed po to the mouth assessment. So upon checking, there is no any distinctive odor present to the client. So let us now proceed to inspecting and palpating your lips, gums, also the tongue, and the also the buccal mucosa. So for this, let us first check the color variation. So I am going to check to the pen light. Wait lang. So can you open your mouth po? So I see that the color variation is fine. There is no such thing as pallor or unusual redness. Also, there is no super redness. Also, there is no blue hue and no white patches. So, for ano naman, lang po. So, the next one po, let us see for moisture. So, your ano po is not dry, which is good. I see that there is a flow of saliva po, which is normal. Also, I see that the consistency of your tissue is also fine, is intact. Which is good. Also, I don't see any lesions such as cancer sores. I don't see any indurations or crackings present, which is good also. Can you taas po yung dila niya, sir? For the extensions and water ducts also fine. I don't see any problems, which is good. Okay, sir. Pause mo na muna for comfortable. So, for the next one po, let's check your gums for any hyperplasia and blue black line. So, may I see your gums po? So, there is no, ano naman po, hyperplasia presence to your gums. Also, there is no blue black line in gums. So, for your teeth po, let's see the shape and also the number of teeth presence po. So, I see that your teeth is complete. So your take is 32, which is the normal the patient. So also the color po of your teeth is white, which is normal. Also the shape is quite normal, which is good po. So for the next one po, let us now inspect for the tongue. Also po pala, for occlusion, I don't see any occlusion naman sa ating mouth. So, let's proceed po to the tongue. Let us now use po a tongue depressor. We need to check po for color, texture, and consistency. So, may I see your tongue po? So, I see that the tongue po is reddish, pale red. I see some hairy po at the tongue, but it is moist, which is good. Also, it is also smooth po. So, I see the size is quite large, it is not very small. Also, the moisture is good. It is not dry and it has a flow of saliva po. Okay, can you close now your mouth po? So, let's move on to the next one, which is the throat po. So, for the throat po, we need to inspect and the throat for any the color, consistency, also for the thorax palatinus, and for the alveolar po. So, let us check po. Wait lang. Wait lang po. Kasi po, so, let's see po. I see that the throat po is good. It is, the color is red. The consistency is fine also. I don't see any thorax palatinus. Also, the alveola is singular. It's not, so it's fine. Let us also check for its tonsils for the color and tenderness po. I see. Can you, labas niyo po muna yung medyo yung dila niya po, sir? Parang medyo yung dila. Okay. I see po that the tonsils is reddish also. It is, for grading scale po, I see that it is grade 1 plus since it is visible. Which is normal po sa findings sa clients natin. So let us now proceed po to the next one, which is for nose. Let us inspect the nose for the external nose for any swellings or the color, the consistency, also the shape, and the patency of airflow po. So I see that your nose po is fine. It is symmetry for the both sides. And I see that there is also the color is fine, the size is also fine. So for checking your patency po of airflow, can you breathe po to the inhale na malakas po. For the next one, inhale po. So I see that the patency of airflow is fine. There is no such thing as paradong ilong na presence po sa clients natin. So let us proceed po to the internal nose for any swelling, color, exudates, and also for bleedings or any ulcers or polyps na present po sa ng client. So, may po your internal nose. I see that your nose is fine. There is no swelling. There is no polyps, which is good. There is no abnormalities na nakikita po. There is no sipong po din na present sa ilong natin. Thank you so much. For the last one po, let us check for your sinuses. For sinuses po, we need to check for the venous. So, here po. Can you say po if there is anything po kayo nararamdaman na palpitation? Pero may napipil po kayong pressure. So yes, it is good po na may napipil po kayong pressure, but this so wala naman po much sobrang po na naman. So which means the sinuses of the patient is good. Let us now percuss and trans-illuminate the sinuses of the client for air versus fluid or mass flow. So for this po, percuss first. So it's good. So it's fine. Now let us try to trans-illuminate the sinuses ko. So
Ako man ako ng girl, hindi na ko kaya dito temporary lang ang
I see po that your ano po is happening ano po airflow.
ano
Okay.
mga ano
There is no such thing as fast. So it's good also.
Kaya ako lang balik tayo. Number ng nakalapit.
So
Kabalasan. Wala. Pinalapit ka namin.
So, your sinuses is good po, so which means po you are healthy. So, we are done po for checking the head, mouth, throat, nose, and also the sinuses. Let us don't forget to do analysis of data such as formulating a nursing diagnosis, formulating a collaborative problems, and also make a necessary referral if there is any problem na nangyari po sa ating patient or may observe po tayo. Then, we are done po to our assessing po for your for you. So thank you po so much for your cooperation. Now let us do a aftercare or back treatments. And let's do hand hygiene. You have one po. And that will be all po. Thank you so much.